Hello, and welcome to Vision.ai. Panzura is a new multi-cloud data management platform. My name is Alex, and today I'm going to be walking you through deploying and configuring a Panzura Freedom NAS plugin. First, we are going to navigate to Management, Configure Plugins. From here, we're going to click Configure New Plugin and choose Free for the Panzura Freedom NAS plugin. Next, we are going to copy the plugin activation key to a safe location and then click Next Step. On Step 2, we can view the instructions on how to configure your Panzura Freedom filers to sync with the Vision.ai service. Navigating to our Panzura Freedom filer, we are going to click Configuration and scroll down to the Vision.ai settings under Monitoring. For the Vision.ai hostname, please enter app.vision.ai. For the Vision.ai activation code, go ahead and paste the plugin activation key you copied and then click Register. A notification will appear letting you know you've begun the registration process, and the state will change to Register is running. The registration process can take a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to navigate to the License Manager to configure the Panzura Audit License to stream audit data into Vision.ai. Once on the License Manager, please click Installed License Modules and find AS Audit. Click on it and click Edit. For syslog host, please enter a dash and leave Include Files and Exclude Files as default. For access, please enter Open, Close, Remove, Create, Make dir, Remove dir, Set Attribute, and RL Claim. This information can be found in instructions on Step 2 in Vision.ai. Once entered, click Done. Make sure AS Audit is activated and navigate back to Vision.ai. Click Next Step, and then finally click Finish and View Plugins on Step 3. The pairing process will now begin. This can take up to 10 minutes to finish pairing. When the pairing process is completed, you'll see the target field change to the host name of your filer and the status turn to running.